Hey you guys, if you want to find out how I made these two shirts, stay tuned for the rest of the video. This is from my future line called Black Diamond Designs. I hope you guys love, and don't steal my shit. Today, y'all, I'm gonna be trying to bleach this shirt. I'm gonna bleach it and make like certain designs on it and put a picture on it to see if I can do it. So I said, why not? I keep making shirts offline. Why not start with a real? I just want to use some. I just want to see if I could DIY this shirt and turn it into something amazing. I'm starting my own clothing line, so I'm gonna learn how to do different stuff. I see a lot of bleach shirts, like Metallica shirts and stuff, is out now. So that's what we're gonna try to do. I was gonna use regular bleach, but I have this, so I was like, why not just use this? I'm sorry, y'all. Let me move my house spray. This is actually a really good one. Y'all should try it. So let's see. I don't know if this will work, y'all. Let me get my regular bleach in case. And before you guys go any further, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. My name is Kenda, and this is Black Diamond TV, the place you need to be. Oh, it worked. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. Thank you so much. You guys are greatly appreciated. If you are a guy too, so let me not forget about y'all, welcome. And if you are a new subscriber, join the Diamond Dynasty. We're on the road to 400 subscribers. We start small, but we're only getting bigger and better from here by the help of you guys. So make sure you go down below, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, share, tell a friend, tell your mother, your brother, your auntie, cousin, everybody. Let's see if this will work.
Yo, AML. Everybody do that answer nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, repeat. Well, alright then. Can you see me the cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with this slick and I'm real blessed. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
So I don't want to do too much to this now. So we're going to leave it like this. That's one. We're going to let it sit. And I'm going to make one for my boyfriend. So man. Oh, you know what I want to do? I'm going to write something out of it and then pour the bleach over it so then the words will come out of the shirt. Like if. Yeah. Another time, let's do it like how I was doing the hair. We let that dry before we put it in the washing machine. I think this is good. So I'm gonna finish the rest of the video after I wash these out. See how this one look. This one. So I'm gonna go wash those out and then try to make a design. What kind of design I want to go on here. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. And I almost forgot one, my baby shirt. It ain't fair if little mamas can't get none, so Let's spray this too. Fun fact I wanted to let you guys in on. I made these shirts November 2020. I had this shirt for a long time. It still holds up now. This is one of my boyfriends and my favorite shirt that I created alongside my turtleneck. So I'm working on getting these together and be able to launch it. So I hope you guys like it and love it. Let me know what you think down below. This is just one of the creative things that I have in mind. Stay tuned. I'm putting it in the washing machine and let's see what it turned out to be like. Alright y'all, so I had got bleach on this shirt by mistake. I was thinking about putting something on it. So this is a shirt that I made for my boyfriend. Let me loosen it up a little bit. And I wanted to make it look kind of vintage. So this is the shirt and I'm about to just dip this part in the bottom of it and drop some stuff on it. So wish me luck and hopefully I don't mess up the damn shirt. I don't got a lot of bleach, but let's see. When I mean I freaking love how this shirt came out, I had to steal the shirt from him like 1 or 2 times. It got a little too small for him, so now it was mine, y'all. So if y'all see me in it, mind y'all business. Don't worry about that, sweetheart. I done fucked the shirt up, y'all. I done fucked it up, y'all. Oh, it looked like it blended in right there with it. I feel like it's cute. A little vintage. I feel like maybe I should put a little hole in it or something. But he might think I'm doing the most. So this one of the shirts. I just wanted to bleach a couple of things. So this is how this shirt came out. This is the first one. Let me take this one. Maybe I can see it better. This is how the first one came out. And the first one is mine, and this is how the second one came out. I actually like this one a lot better. And this one is from my boyfriend. Well, I didn't show you the back of the first one, but this is the back of the second one. It's not bad. I should move. Bye. Get out. So she be barking at shadows all day. And this is the back of the first one too. I like how this one came out. Get out! And this is my daughter's arm. Let's put some heat to hers. And warm it up. And warm it up. If I keep saying it's because this dog keep trying to go under the table to bark at the shadows. But yeah, so that's how these turned out. And I'm gonna show y'all the design, but I use my phone to make the designs. I gotta get my computer to act right. This is how the Money Lisa shirt turned out. What do you guys think about it? The sleeves. Hear me talking about it's okay. That shit is fire. The fuck you mean? Gotta toot my own horn. I love it. Something else on here, but there's a lot going on already, so I'm just leave that as that. What do you guys think about this? Alright, y'all, so this is what I'm about to use. I have a couple of sheets left over. It's the Cricut Explorer Printable Iron-On Dark Transfer paper. This is something I made before when I was just learning, so I didn't mess stuff up. So let me get one sheet. But we're gonna put it in the printer this way and take it like that. So let's bring you back to my printer. So hopefully y'all got a glimpse of what I was doing. So that's what I'm gonna put on the shirts, and I turned the beads invisible. So you got a glimpse of that. So you're gonna take this, gotta get it out of the printer. We made sure they're both on the same page. There's only one. We're gonna print. You don't need to mirror it. Into printer. Make sure they set to make sure to keep the bleed on. So let this cool off for a bit while we try to send it to the Cricut machine now. So it cut it out and it did the beads. So now it's just time to read it. I don't really know how is it gonna come out. So we're gonna see. We're just gonna pull the whole damn page off for the fact that hopefully when it's come out it looks better than that, because I didn't want the green to come out like that. You see these? You probably can't. I'm gonna use this old transfer paper that I have. That bee looks too big for her, right? It looks better with a small bee. Alright, so this is the shirt. It's not bad. I think it looks better when it has this soft one. Oh, come on, come. Yeah, I think it looks better when it had the smaller bee, but it's still cool. I like how overall it came out. I dyed. So this is how the first shirt turned out. I feel like it looks really good. The only thing is the words were actually smaller than I wanted to be in this. So I made this one bigger to go on to my boyfriend's shirt, since his shirt gonna be bigger than mine. Instead of 1 and 1, I've made it 2 and 2 inches. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, I like it. Let me see. Get a better look at it. Yeah, so these are my shirts. Let me know down below what you guys think. And before you guys do anything, make sure you go down below and subscribe to my channel. Follow all of my social medias. I love y'all, and I'm out. Stay tuned for the next video.